Here we are in North Poway at a beautiful resort-like home. From the minute you drive up the driveway to the second you step here in the backyard. Now, tell us about the inside of the house.
Well, this is about an 8,400 square foot house, 7 bedrooms, 8.5 baths. I mean, this place is amazing. What I love about it is really that game room. You'll see a pool table. I mean, it's epic. This house is designed for parties, as you can tell with this backyard.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Make sure you tune in. San Diego Luxury Listings, 1 p.m. This property is coming soon.